comes Saul, coming back on his ride. Here's Aiden playing in the snow. Saul's coming back from his snowmobile ride. There they are. Aiden falling over. There he goes. Oh, jumping a little bit. Here he comes. What'd you think? What'd you think?
Good. I didn't even breathe on the part where he goes back.